Been 9 hours since we put this dough to rest last night at room temperature. I did put a plastic over the container so that it would seal better. Really nice window pane. I'm going to go ahead and shape it. We'll do a pre-shaping right now. We've got 754 and 756. Great. I'm going to do a pre-shaping on these loaves, and then we'll come back and do a final shaping. Okay, we'll put that one up there. There's our 2 pre-shaped loaves. I'll come back in about 20 minutes and we'll shape the first loaf.